What is going on, team? I am excited to do this video because I think it'll be very helpful for all of you out there. So the reason why I'm doing this is because a lot of people has been messaging me and asking questions, and great questions, and I'm happy for it. And I realize that people are interested in things that I do have planned. But for you to know what I have planned, I have to communicate it to you. So therefore, I'm making this video so there won't be any question of what I'm going to be doing for the next 6 months. There's no clickbait, no string along. You'll know what I'm doing, and if there's questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. So the first thing I'm going to go over is that I have a dedicated set of wheels and tires for the track. That's right. They're lightweight wheels, and they're sticky tires. I'm really interested in seeing what those are going to do on the track. The next thing that I have in my possession that I'm going to put on is a big brake kit. It is not an STI upgrade, but it is bigger. So that has its pros and its cons. So we're going to go over that. And with all these things, I'm going to show the reasoning why I got them, the install, the track time, and with some of the things I'm going to weigh them. So if weight is an issue, I'm going to show you the difference between what I have on it and what, the new part is. There's that. I also have a 6-speed transmission. Now that is an STI part, so I'm pretty excited. It's the transmission, the diff, everything. I do have to source the harness for the DCCD, and I do have to install the controller for it, so we can walk through the process of going OEM or getting an aftermarket one. So that should be a pretty exciting and pretty in-depth upgrade. Yeah, so there's that. Oh, I almost forgot that I actually have a set of STI hubs, and I have WRX hubs, and I have WRX wagon hubs now. So I've been asked a couple of times about fitment in terms of the suspension and doing the swap. So now I can answer those questions. I can take measurements, and if I can maybe make a video depending on like what the questions are and how common they are. So if you have questions on the sizing of the WRX versus STI versus WRX wagon, I can now answer them because I have the actual hubs in hand. All right, so we have the tires and wheels. We have the big brake kit. We have the 6-speed transmission. But there's one more thing. I've been getting a lot of questions on how I got certain things done on Benji. And I know that I started the channel when Benji was pretty much built. Obviously, there's a ton of things that I can still do and I'm going to do with Benji. But I figured it'd be best to kind of start from scratch so you guys can see the beginning, be a part of the journey, and see the end product. So I got another project car. That's right. I have another Project GD. That doesn't mean I'm going to ignore Benji. That doesn't mean this one is going to take over anything. What it means is that we as a team will walk through this process. We're going to figure out what parts that we want to put on this thing, because this has to be on a super tight budget, guys. Super tight budget. We're going to walk through this process because there's some things that I just can't show you on Benji because it's already done. Yeah, so I got a project car. We have a project car, and I'm open to a lot because the only thing I'm stuck on is the basic function of the car. But in terms of the engine, the transmission, the interior, the exterior, the style, all that stuff is up for grabs. So you will have input. We will build this thing together. So that's pretty exciting to me. I hope you guys are excited. And I want to thank everybody that subscribes, because without you guys, I really couldn't, or I really wouldn't do this thing, because you guys motivate me. I really appreciate everybody watching. So with that being said, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, pick up some merch so we can get this thing back on the road and this thing keep moving really, really fast. I hope you guys take care, never stop learning, and thanks for watching.